Welcome to all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss about tax deducted at source, in short form TDS. And this is the one of the important topics in income tax subject. So tax deducted at source, collecting tax on income by the payer. Every payer must collect a certain percentage of tax before paying the amount to the payee. In India, tax must be deducted at source itself. A prescribed percentage must be deducted for any payments covered under this IT provisions. In Indian Income Tax Act 1961, they prescribed certain percentage for deducting tax for any kind of payments covered under this provision, that is income tax provisions. So TDS is nothing but deducting tax at source itself. In India, tax must be deducted at source itself. Not only in India, but also many other countries in the world are also following this type of tax deducting system, which means deducting the tax from the source itself. So TDS in other countries, in Ireland and United Kingdom, the TDS name has been used as pay as you earn, which means PAYE in short form. In Australia and United States, the term TDS has been used as pay as you go. As I told before, in India we used TDS. In other countries they are using pay as you earn, pay as you go, and some other like that. So whatever it may be, the concept for TDS is used by many other countries in the world. So a company giving salary to the employee. While giving salary to the employee, the company deduct certain percentage of amount from the salary and deduct the amount from the salary and paid the amount to the income tax department. Let us see an illustration. For example, if a company paying 1 lakh salary to a employee, but the employee receives only 90,000 on his account. What about the 10,000? The 10,000 will be deducted by the company from the salary while paying. So the company will deduct 10,000 from the salary and paid the 10,000 to the income tax department on employee's behalf. So this is the major concept. TDS is nothing but deducting the salary from the source itself. Employee, the source of the employee is salary. So the tax will be deducted by the source itself. That is, deducting the tax by the salary is known as TDS. These are the various percentage prescribed by the income tax department during the assessment year 2019 to 20 and the previous year 2018 to 19. Here the various sections are also mentioned. Here the nature of payment will be given, and this is the amount of maximum limit per year, and these are the deducting percentage of TDS. So in salary, the slab rate is followed. Slab rate, which means up to 2,50,000 there is no tax for the individual. More than 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, 5% of tax will be deducted, and more than 5 lakhs to below 10 lakhs, the percentage will be 20%, and more than 10 lakhs, the percentage will be 30%. According to that, the TDS will be deducted on the salary income basis for a year. So in interest on securities, if the interest amount exceed 10,000, the bank will deduct 10% as TDS. On dividend, if the dividend amount exceed 2,500, the company deduct 10% and balance 90 percentage will be given to the shareholder. So according to that, various percentage has been followed by the income tax department for detecting TDS under various categories of payment. So these are the various other categories of payment, and these are the various interest rate prescribed by the income tax department. Thank you for watching.